Seismic analysis. I'm using the same building which is being used for tall structures. I'll unlock the model. Now I'll go to define load patterns. I'll write seismic here. I'll select the seismic load. The IS code is 1893 for this. I'll click on add new load. Selecting the seismic load, I'll click on modify the lateral loads. In this, x and y direction forces will be there. And as per the code to my region, that is Bangalore, uh, uh, Z factor is 0.1. The site type is 2, that is medium soil. The importance factor is 1. And I will leave this as program calculated. And the response factor, according to table 7, is 3. I'll click on OK. And again, I'll click on OK. After defining the seismic factor, I'll go to analyze. I'll select set and cases in which wind load case will not be run. I'll click on not to run. I'll run the analysis now. The analysis is being run, which will be showing in the bottom left corner of the tab. After the analysis is completed, as default, the deformation will be shown in the 3D view. I can run the animation and check how the building will be deformed. The analysis is complete as it is showing the deformation values. I can see the deformation values, or I can even select a point and right click on it, which shows me the details. Now I'll run the design, that is concrete frame. I'll view the preferences. I'll check for IS code. Again, I'll go to design. Before that, we can see the story response plot for this. And even go to display, we can see the stress strain diagrams. I'll click on apply. This shows me the stress strain diagram. I can even check the moment diagram, and any forces changes and deformations can be seen from this using display menu. I'll click on OK. Now I'll go to design. I'll go to concrete frames. We were revised the preferences. Now I'll start design check. I'll click on OK. So this is running the design check. After the design check, I'll get the rebar details. After the rebar details, I can generate the report. If any of the member failed, I can revise the section by changing its sectional properties or the material properties. As I've given auto select of the beams and columns with 3 different beams and column sizes, it will reiterate. As I said, the analysis is different for views. I'll reiterate it so that my design will be safe. The design check is complete and it is showing me the rebar details. Zoom in to view the rebar details, or I can even select a member and right click on it. It will give me the details. I am going to reiterate it. After all the reiterations, the rebar details will be given here. I can go to reports and generate the reports. But now I'll run another analysis, that is response spectrum method. I'm going to unlock the model. I'm going to define menu bar and I'll select functions from this. I'll select response spectrum method. I'll go to add new function. This I'll name it as response. Then the damping ratio is 0.05, that is 5% for the building. RCC buildings have maintained the same thing. After that, Z is 0.1. I'll check for Z 0.1 and site type is B, that will be remain same. And the soil type is 2. After that, I'll click on OK. So here comes my response spectrum method. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll go to define load cases. I'll click on add new load case. Just delete the wind load case because I'm not going to use it any further. I'm clicking on add new case. Now in add new case, I'll name this one also as response. I'll select response spectrum from here. Now I'm going to add this. Acceleration is kept default. Even this will be changed to response, which is already defined based on the formula used, that is importance factor into acceleration due to gravity divided by twice the response factor. Based on this formula, the value of scale factor is calculated. This will act in two directions, so I'm adding twice. After this, the directional combination is CQ C3 as it shows the maximum values. So I've added it. I'll click on OK. Now I will go to analysis menu and select load cases to run. Dead load and live load will be set to not to run because it should not take any part. Now I will click on run now option. The analysis is being processed. When the analysis is complete, as default, in 3D view, I'll get the deformation picture. deformation comes, it shows me that the analysis is complete. And clicking on any part, I can check the displacement. I will go to display. I can check story response plots. Then again I can go to display and I can check the tables. I can even check the force stress diagrams as shown earlier. I will go to design, concrete frames, view revise, where I can check the IS code is applied or not. I will click on OK. Now I will go to design again, concrete frames. I will click on start design check. This will show me that check and reiterate. After the reiterations and all the process is done, I can generate reports. As the process is taking too much time, I'll just pause the video and record again when the process analysis is done. The analysis is complete now. I minimize the window. Design check is complete. Now I'll unlock the model. I'm not going to generate the report for now. I'll go to define. I'll take functions. I'll take time history. I'll take from files. I'll add new functions. I'll name it as time. Now I'll browse the file which is already given by given the name time history data, and I have viewed the file. The first 9 lines has to be skipped, and the prefix line is 1. The number of points per line is 10. I'll click on OK. This isn't responding. Pause the video until it responds. The data is added. Now I'll go to define. I'll go to load patterns. I'll select seismic, modify. Here there is no y direction force, so I'll only take x direction and keep all the values same and click on OK, and again I'll click on OK. Now I'll go to define, load combinations. Go to load cases. I delete the response spectrum method. I'll add the new one, that is time history analysis. I'll just type time. I'll take time history here. I'm going to add one thing. I'll change load pattern to acceleration. I'll keep this time history data, and the scale factor is as calculated earlier. It is the same thing. The number of outputs is 10. Then I'll click on OK. I'll click on OK. Now I'll run the analysis. The analysis has been started. After the analysis, I can plot the functions, and I can even combine story plots. I can see the animations using display menu. I can even see the base reactions from display menu. Then I'll design the sections and check if it is safe. Then I'll generate the report, and that ends the seismic analysis. The analysis is complete now. It is showing the deformation values. As I said, using display menu, I can check the resistant force diagram, deformed shape. I can use combined story response plot. I can see the tables. I can even see the plot functions. In show tables options, I can see the base reactions. Now I'll go to design. As I already checked the view response, I'll now go to design check. After the design check, I'll generate the report. I'll reiterate it. As it is taking too much time, I'm not going to reiterate for now. I'll go to reports and generate my new summary report. This gives me all the details of the structure with the rebar details. As my program is taking too much time, I'm not going to I have now reiterated. The building structure 6 frames has to be revised. So this ends the seismic analysis.